Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and it is another Tip Tuesday for you guys, and I'm continuing on with some storage tips, or just, I don't know, just showing you guys how I store my products because I get a lot of questions about that. So today we're talking about washi tape storage, and I have tried several things over the years. I have tried just putting them in like a jar or a container and digging through them. I've had them sitting out on my desk. I tried the embroidery hoop method, and the embroidery hoop method worked for a while, but it was just kind of a nuisance to have to like flip through and unscrew things, and it just didn't work for me. So I stumbled upon these containers at Michael's, I don't know, a little over a year ago, and these seem to be working the best for me. Now, I did real quick get online to see if these containers are still available. I couldn't find this exact setup. It actually looks like they've kind of changed it a little bit, but it's actually a better system, I think, now. And so it's similar in that it's a plastic kind of tackle box container that Michael's has now, but it's a little bit like more squat, and I think it's 2 rows tall and a little bit deeper, so it'll fit some of your deeper washies. And so it was on sale for $10. I will link that down below for you guys so you can check that out. But this is the method that seems to be working the best for me. You may be able to get away with using like an actual tackle box. You would just have to see if it's deep enough. I've tried the ones that my husband has, and they're not quite deep enough for my washi tape. But these containers, and like the one that's now available at Michael's, have these dividers, and they also come with some dividers so you can divide in between. I just have so many washi that I can't even use the dividers in between, and I've actually kind of pared this down and gotten rid of some stuff and tried to be real about what I use and what I don't use. And so I know we get all swept up into that whole washi craze. I need all the washi. Trust me, I'm right there with you. But I found there were a lot of them that I bought because I thought they were pretty, but they weren't realistic for how I use washi in my Bible journaling. So I kind of try to lay things out sort of rainbow order. It's hard once you get into prints and things like that. I do have a shelf that sits right in front of me on my desk, and I have some of my most used washis that sit up there. That way I'm not digging through this container like this. But you can see it's a little bit fussy just because washi kind of is all different shapes and sizes, and as you use it, it kind of gets used up and things like that. But this seems to work the best for me. And I also teach workshops, and so I need to be able to grab these and take these on the go very quickly, and this is a very easy way to do that. So this is set up in rainbow order, and then this has my like metallics and neutrals, and then illustrated faith washi, and then just some randoms that wouldn't fit in other places. For holiday washis, I have separate containers where I store kind of all my holiday papers and die cuts and washis together, so I don't necessarily stick those in here unless they are something like an illustrated faith washi, then that does go in here. So I don't know, this is how I've been storing my washi, and it seems to be working for now. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. I'm going to link also, I think I'm going to switch actually to a drawer system similar to my die cut storage, the acrylic ones. They have some for washi tape, so I actually think I'll be switching to that when I update my craft room. So I will link those down below for you guys as well. But these are how I'm storing my washi. So like I said, if you have questions, leave those down below. Check out the description box below the videos for links to the products that I mentioned, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I've got Tip Tuesdays every Tuesday, faith planner processes every Sunday, and then a variety of other videos sprinkled throughout the week. So be sure to click on that bell notification button so you don't miss any future videos. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.